You love a hard touch, you my one. When all is said and done, you will believe God is one.
Everybody, it's Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a few different hairstyles. Easy, quick, under 5 minutes. It will make you look glam, put together, get your hair up and off your face. Perfect for when you have to have your head hanging down. If you're new here, welcome. Like I said, I'm Michelle. I would love it if you'd subscribe. Join my little family. If you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. So now let's get into the video. Okay, so first we're gonna do the high ponytail. Pull all of your hair up. You can either finger comb it or you can use a brush, depending on how sleek you like your hair to be. I personally don't like to have bumps in my hair, so I like to use the brush. So you pull it all up. Make sure there's no lumps and bumps in your ponytail. If you want to pull out a few pieces in the front, you would do that now. Make sure the back is nice. So we got all the lumps and bumps out. I prefer my hair to be a little looser in the front. So you kind of pull it like that so it's a little loose, and then put your ponytail in. Wrap it around 3 times so it'll be nice and tight. Okay, now the first thing you're gonna wanna do is hairspray all around to make sure your hair stays in all day. You don't have any crazy flyaways. Now I like to take a chunk of hair from the back, about this size right here. I wrap it around the ponytail holder so that you cannot see the ponytail holder. And then I use a bobby pin to pin it in the back. Pin it underneath the ponytail so you won't see it. Now it's up to you if you like your ponytail just like this. I like it very voluminous. So I take the brush or a teasing comb, anything you have, and just start teasing. I like to make it high. Resemble Ariana Grande's pony, a nice big puffy pony. Okay, and then you just smooth out the top. So you could leave it like this if you want, but I hate how my hair has this natural weird kinky wave. It's just not doing it for me. So what I like to do is put a few curls into my hair. We're gonna go in with a curling iron and give it just a few little tiny waves. This is so quick and easy, but it makes you look put together. It gets your hair up out of your face, but without being too tight and pulled back. This look can be good for a more fancy dressed up outfit. It also can look really cute with a more sporty sweatsuit or something of that nature. So it's very versatile in my opinion. You could always straighten the ponytail and give it a sleeked Kim Kardashian type look, but I personally like the really puffy, fluffy ponytail, especially for when you have a longer head. I feel like it balances everything out. If you have a longer face and then you have a very sleek hairstyle, sometimes it tends to just make your face look longer. I like to puff it up, make it look like I have some volume. I just love volume. The more volume, the better. Just a few curls. You don't have to do every single piece, just whatever you think looks like needs to be done. I think that's good, honestly. So here's the finished look of the voluminous, curly, high ponytail, a little more glam than just your original ponytail. I love this for any occasion, really. It can work with anything. It work for work attire, school, or date night. I'm gonna show you the back. If you need to see how to put your hair up into a high ponytail, look to the previous hair hack, and then let's get started. So we have our hair up already into a high ponytail. If you want to just do a messy bun, you can just take your hair, twirl it around whatever way you enjoy it to be, and safety pin it there. Once you have it safety pinned, you can mess around with it. You can make it whatever style, shape you want, and just leave it at that. I think that's really cute, chic. It goes with pretty much every outfit and just keeps your hair up out of the way and keeps it neat all day long. Perfect if you have gym, perfect if you work in an office. I love this style. This is my go-to style as well. For you know us ladies, we hate having to constantly wash our hair, especially if you have dyed your hair. You just don't have time. On your second or third day hair, when it starts getting a little greasy, this is a perfect solution. Nobody will ever know your hair is greasy. You throw it up like this, throw a couple bobby pins in it, spray it, and you're done. You're good to go. If you want to have a very voluminous bun, I would suggest doing a little teasing or using texturizing spray or throwing a few curls in it before you wrap it around, but that does take a little bit of extra time. Teasing, I would say, is the quickest. My hair is only to about here, and it's really thinned out since I've been bleaching my hair for many years. So I like to do that so that I get a nice puffy bun like this. It's up to you what you prefer. Okay, so for the next hair hack, we're going to be doing a 5-minute bun. I'm going to show you a different spin on it just to make it a little different. I get a lot of compliments when I do my hair like this. You could either use a sock and roll it up into a little donut like this, or you can get one of these actual pre-made donuts from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, the Dollarama. All of them have it for $1. Let's get started. So we need our hair up in a ponytail like this. So for this next one, we start out with our high ponytail. Brush it out, get your sock bun, put it over top of the tips, and then you wrap the hair all the way around so you're covering every bit, and then tuck the ends into the sock bun. Make sure the ends are in there nicely secured, covering every spot, and then start rolling down. Rolling. If you see any spots showing of the sock bun, you just push your hair together, make sure it's tucked under. There you go. A quick, perfect round sock bun. Spray it, any flyaways. Super easy, but very pretty. Looks like you spent a lot of time on your hair. It's one thing when you just twirl it up in a top knot, it's all over the place, which can be very cute, like a messy bun look. But this is a lot more coiffed, well put together. It looks like you took a lot of time because it's so perfect. If you want to throw a little headband on, if you have little bangs or stuff that's gonna fall in your face, you can always do something like that. It can be very cute. I also find it really cute to find a cute little bow that might match your outfit. Sometimes I like to put it right on the center in the back of my bun. Pull it through like as if it's just a ponytail hanging there. Separate the hair all around the sock bun. And then you take an elastic, wrap it around the sock bun like this, so you have a perfectly coiffed bun. And then I like to take the hair and braid it around the bun. Such a pretty look. You just braid the hair braid it all together. You keep braiding all the way till the end. And then you wrap it around, pin it with a bobby pin. And there you go. Looks like you have a little crown. I love this look. So I hope you enjoyed these 3 little quick 5-minute hair hacks. They may be obvious to some, but these are just ones that I do quickly in a pinch when my hair is dirty or I don't have a lot of time to do my hair and I still want to look well put together, or when I just notice it's super hot and humid outside and I want something that's gonna look nice but get my hair up and off my neck. Perfect for doing your work, schoolwork, work at a computer, whatever the case may be. If you have to have your head down like this. You don't want your hair all hanging in your face, all over your neck, getting all messy throughout the day. A little spin on the average ponytail and buns that maybe you might not have thought of, or you might have forgotten about. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any other video suggestions. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and join my little family. And until the next time.